Nokia is about to launch a phone for its customers that is incredibly affordable in price, but packs features that will leave even premium smartphones in the dust. Because Nokia's this spectacular new smartphone comes with a 300-megapixel DSLR camera and a massive 9000 mAh powerhouse battery. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G smartphone. If you're planning to get your hands on this monster of a smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we're revealing its fully leaked features, price, and launch date. So, let's dive right in. Features of Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. Display. Nokia's latest beast sports a 6.86-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and a blazing fast 390 Hz touch sampling rate. But that's not all, it also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Gorilla Glass armor protection, for ultimate durability. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the real showstopper, the camera. This smartphone rocks a triple camera setup, headlined by a jaw-dropping 300-megapixel primary lens. And that's not it, you also get a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. For selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front-facing camera, ready to make your snaps look flawless. Performance. Under the hood, this phone runs on the latest Android 16 OS, ensuring you get the smoothest experience possible. And powering it all, none other than the most powerful mobile processor in the world, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G packs a massive 9000 mAh battery, which means 2-3 days of usage on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, boom, it supports 120-watt ultra-fast charging, so you're back in action in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? While Nokia hasn't officially confirmed the price yet, but leaks suggest it could be around $999. And as for the launch date, expect this beast to arrive sometime next year,